Supreme Court's big message as far as freedom of speech is concerned. The Apex Court has said, enjoy freedom but with care. That's a very important statement that has come in from the Apex Court, which says that the top court has called for some restraint. It has even batted for guidelines for free speech. I'm going to try and connect with Nupur, my colleague, who tracks the courts very closely for us. Nupur, first of all, tell us and walk us through what is the context in which the Supreme Court has made these very strong observations.
Well, Gauri, first of all, the court was hearing the petition by Wajahat Khan, who had moved the top court after he was facing multiple FIRs across the country over his tweets that came to spotlight after, remember, influencer Sharmishta Panoli's case came up, and he was the one who had complained against Sharmishta. Sharmishta was arrested, action was taken against her. But later, his tweets, his certain controversial and communal tweets surfaced, after which FIRs were registered against him. Now, today, the top court was hearing his case. The top court had earlier stayed various FIRs across the state and had said that only the West Bengal FIR will continue till the matter is heard completely. Today, the top court has granted the similar relief till the next hearing and said that the relief to Wajahat Khan in the interim will continue. But the larger question that the top court said was that for how long the legal system will continue to be clogged with such cases of irresponsible social media posts, comments, hate speeches on Twitter by the citizens. Citizens must know restraints, show restraint, and citizens must know that freedom of expression and speech comes with some restraint, and they should, in fact, show some restraint while tweeting, using social media. And Supreme Court, in fact, there was a reference made to the Ranveer Allabadia case, where the top court, a different bench, is already handling the case and had asked the center to bring in some guidelines to regulate content on social media. But here, in this case, the Supreme Court said that we need guidelines, we need regulations for citizens. First of all, citizens should implement it on themselves. We need to apply our minds here. And the top court has granted 4 weeks' time to the states to come up with some solution, be it some kind of movement, be it some kind of awareness. The Supreme Court asked that when will the citizens themselves start finding these hate comments, hate tweets jarring themselves. They must act responsible when tweeting and when using any kind of social media in interest of fraternity and social harmony amongst the citizens.